Hey guys, Brandon here with Exotic Cars 19. This is just a continuation video to the last one I just uploaded. This is a 2019 BMW M5 Competition. I just uploaded, first and foremost, let's go ahead and start it up because it is hot outside. So yeah, the last video I just made with this thing was a longer video. It was just kind of my impressions and overall just driving it and kind of reviewing it more or less, kind of a different take on a review, but it was a longer video. This one's gonna be more straightforward. This is just a point of view drive. I've got a GoPro out back by the exhaust. Hopefully it doesn't overheat and turn off like it has before, but otherwise not a whole lot of intro needed into this video. I say we just kind of go for it. If you guys want more detail, check out the last video. I'll go ahead and link that in that little box at the end of this video. But yeah, whatever, let's just go for it. This is programmed right now to be in DSC off 4-wheel drive Sport M2. That's good for me. Let's go ahead and then go over to the right. That's manual transmission. Over one more, there we go. Exhaust valves are open right when you start it up, which is awesome. So yeah, let's go ahead and get rolling here. I guess since we're going kind of slow behind traffic, I guess I'll kind of mention a couple things with this car that I mentioned in the last video. So a little redundant if you guys are coming from the last video, but I'll make it quick. This has got the $8,500 optional carbon ceramic brakes. The competition package, once you go for that, it's got a new exhaust system. It pops and cracks like no other. Hopefully the GoPro in the back will capture that. It's absolutely nutty. Kind of like it just did right there. Ridiculous. Just on command, it's just popping popcorn. It's pretty cool. Oh, by the way, in case you guys didn't see the last video, don't mind my thumb. I sliced myself pretty good yesterday. Yeah, let's just go ahead and disregard the bandages. In short, I'll summarize my last video very quickly. I just about love this car, very much so. It's great driving slowly, and it's an absolute beast when you press the right buttons that we have engaged right now. It's a fun one. 4-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive if you program it for that, and it will probably just do absolutely silly stuff. It's not my car, so I'm not going to do that. But even with this 4-wheel drive, it absolutely is so confidence-inspiring. Easy to drive slowly, and actually really easy to drive spiritedly once the cars ahead of me take a different course. Once the road splits up here, I'm going to take the exact route these guys are not taking. Hopefully we get a little bit of a open road here. That works for me. much this thing weighs. That's absolutely crazy. The turn-in is so direct, so sharp. I seriously, I'm stuttering here. I don't know. Driving through a residential area here, so I'm gonna pipe it down a little bit. So let me just debrief, catch a breath. This thing is awesome. The acceleration is just as impressive as the braking. Yeah, I mean, how it picks up the speed, weighing as much as it does, and how it slows it down. I mean, it will pull your eyes out of the sockets. It's that great of braking. But man, you could go ahead and just pipe it down. Even with the stiffest suspension, the turn-in, in mid-corner, everything is so great. But if I see like a pothole or something like that, it's not too firm. And the stiffest Sport Plus suspension, so that's really cool. I don't really think there's much I can really say to convey a certain emotion. So let me just try my darndest to get it on video once the road opens up some more, and we'll get back on it. Go ahead and create a gap here. That works for me. That gap didn't last too long. Again, something I mentioned in the last video, I'll run through it real quickly. This has got the 8-speed BMW M Steptronic transmission, torque converter, not a dual clutch. This thing is unbelievable. There are dual clutches that feel worse than this. I don't know what BMW voodoo magic stuff is going on, like I said in the last video, but quite impressive. I give it a full 1 thumbs up because that's all I can do at the moment, but it's good. It's actually really, really good. I've done drives like this on the YouTube channel before, just kind of a GoPro on my head, GoPro by the exhaust, and this is like one of the few times I'm actually concerned the GoPro in the back might not be there when I return, just because of just how torquey and like just brutal the car is under braking and acceleration. It's just a very good way of putting it. It's a good violent, but it certainly throws you quite a bit. It's brutal. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the the GoPro's still on the suction cup mount in the back. But if it is, we're gonna hopefully have some pretty good footage and noise to edit with. If not, that sucks. That's brutal. All right, one more gap. That out, Lamborghini Urus in black. It's the third one I've seen out in public. All right, guys, fingers crossed. I hope that GoPro's still back there. Let's find out. Thank God. Unfortunately, it looks like it overheated and stopped recording some part into that drive, so that sucks. Anyway, hope it captured enough to get the pops and cracks, but that just about will do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one.